Hello friends, welcome back to my new video and my YouTube channel. In this video friends, I am going to show you guys iqoo mobile setting, and today video title is guys how to add face lock, how to unlock mobile with face lock. Friends, you want to unlock iqoo mobile with face lock. So friends, now let's see how to unlock iqoo mobile with face lock one by one, step by step friends, we will talk about. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon, like the video. Friends, how to unlock iqoo mobile with face lock. Open your device phone setting. After turn on phone setting, friends, scroll down here and in your iqoo mobile friends, open your phone security setting. After turn on phone security setting friends, you want to add face lock, you want to unlock iqoo mobile with face lock, and you want to unlock iqoo mobile with fingerprint lock. So guys, first you will have to set lock screen password. So friends, click your face lock setting, select your password type, face unlock plus pin, face unlock plus pattern, face unlock plus password. Friends, I will use face unlock plus pin, and my password is 123456. Remember your password, don't do any mistake. If you do mistake, you cannot unlock iqoo mobile. Confirm, done option, click here start option. You can add face lock, you can unlock iqoo mobile with face lock. Show your face. After show face friends, face lock will add in your iqoo mobile. Off your device screen. Now friends, swipe here, enter your password 123456, your phone will unlock. Friends, now we will not use password. On your lock screen, show your face, phone will unlock automatic without password. So like that friends, you want to unlock iqoo mobile with face lock. So friends, show your face on lock screen, phone will unlock automatic, and you will not show your face, phone will not unlock automatic. Enter password, then you can unlock your device. So friends, you want to unlock mobile with face lock, so you can add face lock and you can use face lock setting in iqoo mobile. And now friends, you can start fingerprint lock without any problem. You can unlock your iqoo mobile with fingerprint lock setting also. Enter your device password, add your fingerprint, and you can use fingerprint lock setting also in iqoo mobile. Bye friends, thanks for watching the video. If you went out, have any problem, so you can ask me in comment section. I will check, I will help you. Bye bye friends.